Alright, so if it's your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also link me on Instagram if you want to be an official member of our WhatsApp group, meaning that when we post new content, we can just post it on the group and you guys can go right ahead and watch the video. Also, please watch the video to the end, even after the credits them gone up, because what happens is that there are a lot of things that we talk about at the end, and there are products that we talk about at the end that don't want you guys to miss.
Are you looking for professional photography and video services? Stop what you're doing. Pick up the phone and call the number on the screen.
If you're in the Orlando or Ocala, Florida area, or even Georgia, and you're looking to buy or sell your home, Janet Campbell is the realtor you should call.
Gigi! Sis!
Yes?
Come here. Gigi, you don't know some send Roger shop. Send him out on the road for go buy something. Me see him come home back a ball. Say Javi beat him up. Me don't know what they have. So me come to you to make Javi come talk to me and tell me what them have. Because I don't know why them have fight.
Raj. Stop it crying. What happened? Alright, hold on. Javi! Javi, come here. Put on the slippers. We are go outside because out in our house hot.
Alright.
Come, you go back under the tree this. Come on, Javi. So what really happened, Javi?
I don't know what Bobby called me out here, sir.
So how you mean you don't know what happened? Can they send Raj a shop? So let me refresh your memory if something wrong with your head. Can they send Raj to the shop? And Raj say you beat him up. How that happened? Is it true?
Bobby, I joke around with him. I never beat him up. I'm going to tell mommy.
Look here. You and Raj related?
Yes, Bobby.
I want to explain to me and tell me how comes you and Raj related?
Because you're my mother, because I think you're their sister.
Okay, that simply means said two first cousin. You ever see me and my sister fight yet?
No, Bobby.
So why is it you choose for fight, Raj?
Bobby, I never fight him. Me just see him come out of shop with one drinks or chips and I ask him for some and I joke around with him and then me just taking drinks from him.
So you never realize him a cry?
Auntie, let me tell. Yeah, me see say I cry, but me ask him one thing and he don't want to answer me and he run guard up.
If you're having drinks, tell me now. You don't expect him to go holler. Him to go ball.
Bobby, what is a drinks? If you cry over just one juice, how much time he take my juice when he come my house? And me just say, oh.
Did you ask him for the drinks?
Of course, me ask.
And what did he say?
He said no.
So how comes you have it? You need to apologize to him, man. You know, see me and my sister live so.
But Bobby, every time when me and my sister...
Apologize to him.
Sorry.
Anasego, don't do that. We don't want this in the family. War and fighting all the time. It's not nice. Me is your auntie. You see, whatever your mother just said to you, it is true. You need to listen, Javi. You and Raj are two first cousins. We don't want people on the road to una fight because if you know family and they fight, one no left stranger for do to no. You're supposed to take up for Raj, and Raj, you supposed to take up for Javi. You're not supposed to a war. Me no like it. Me sure say you see me and my sister live there in kind of way there. It is wrong. You see him within things, ask him for it. If you see Javi within things, you don't take it away. Ask him for it because he can build up to strive and that way I run from. And also we mother grow we. That I no granny. I no big enough and have sense. Me sure so no see it what we were. Me love my sister. I no see it what we are so. So no stop it from right here. So don't make it go no further. You hear me?
Come here. Come
You
here.
understand?
You say whenever time you have anything and Javi asks you for it, you must learn for share. Javi, you say whenever time you have anything and Raj asks you for it, you must learn to share. You see, if you not grow like a puss and dog, right? Look here, puss and dog, I live good now, you know? Puss and dog now fight and live bad again like first time. You see if I not broke you out of I from now, when you becomes adult and a grown man, if you want to tell me say if Raj has any problem, Raj can call you and tell you say, Javi, me need something and you go tell him no. It goes for you too, Raj. You know, see me and your mother live so. We share with everything what we have. You understand?
Remember say, me not depend on idling it now. But just I want to talk about it. The two of you, sorry this is, two of you hold on one another hand.
Hold on.
Hold on hand and shake it.
And set your face better than that.
And
yes.
listen to me.
Go
'Cause
ahead.
sis, you know, say sometimes pitney lie. I'll do him a for me. Just tell him sorry and you say sorry and you just hug and you know, just apologize and done it right there so. Raj?
Sure.
Talk loud, cause it come like I say, you see when you and your friend them on the background, it look like you're a loudspeaker. Tell your cousin sorry if it what happened.
Sorry, Javi.
Next time you share with him. Tell your cousin sorry.
Sorry, Raj.
Come, just give him a little hug and then you.
Tell him one bigger sorry because you're wrong with him. One bigger sorry.
Sorry.
Come. Hug. Alright. Let's feel right there, so. Alright. Guess what? Raina come down. Little more. Alright, sis. Later, yeah? Alright, my nephew. Little more. Taxi man, I wait for me later.
Come on, man. I mean, I like that style. I don't know good style you have. They make me feel bad. Lord have mercy, where you go with pan?
Wait, the whole you know, cause right now it's too heavy. I'm tired of being dirty clothes in there.
No beer man closing it.
I'm tired this one hot. Beer man clothes. You know, so the machine broke down for a long time. And Junior said I go buy one machine from way war. I know me can't get it. Me tired. So till I feel dirty clothes them in there.
Don't worry yourself. I know some will do anything for you. Because you see, if I did me, the other day when time my machine never there work, I come around there, you hear him go on.
Dirty man.
It's alright, don't worry yourself. I just true. You're my sister, you know me, we do anything at all in this world for you. You see money when I did borrow from you? Me remember it, you know. Remember it.
Yeah, so what? I know say remember.
But
Me and sister.
I did figure it back a long time, you know, but me now.
No bother with it. You see that money there? You need to take it and forget about it. Not even have it in your brain, not even for 1 second say me did lend you money. Because anything me ask you for, anything me ask you for do for me, you do it. And anything me want, me can get it from you. Me and your sister, and I right there so the love they stay until we dead.
You know, so I love you.
Me love you more than you love me,
love you
sister.
so till I
God, no.
change
Come give
even
me the
know.
little water, because
Me
me
say-
thirsty. This all dirty broke down machine, me can't bother man.
I
I
make-
know soap me around there for a year, I cuss me for washing dirty
Me have
clothes.
soap, me
them.
have soap. Don't worry yourself, me have soap.
Me I look for me clothes when me normally wear go work, and me can't find none of them for wear. When me clothes them there?
Why I can't ask about clothes for every time? Me look like washing machine to you? You don't know say machine broke down.
Yeah, me know say machine broke down, but I
That
expect
means say your dirty clothes them, me carry them around and my sister fishy put them in our washing machine. So me can go for them after then dry and everything.
Candy. But make you just never just wash your clothes with your hand. Hmm?
My hand. When last I buy one lotion for my hand lotion. And moisturizer
Listen, man,
for
me
soft
not
my
talk
hand.
about no lotion.
Every minute me wash your clothes them with my hand from the machine broke down from wo. And now you can't get the person to come look on it. Every day you gone to work, I tell me about it, I do double. I don't see you with that double nor a triple, no money, nothing at all.
Listen, all me I say, you never have to carry my clothes them, got your sister yard to wash them. You don't know so me not like your sister. I mean, I want you carry my clothes go down there and look out for this. You see me take sick or sitting in go behind me.
And that it just may come out of your throat. But my sister, don't do it again. Junior, not do it again. And where you want to say, my sister, how work her?
Me no, all me
What you
say,
do to my sister, make you feel say my sister would really do that. Look here,
all me I say, me do not want my clothes them to go and they go wash.
a problem me look.
When me get money and can buy a machine, me will buy a machine. Me don't want my clothes anymore.
That a when?
Me will find something weird. But here I'm going to double up. Me now come in until tomorrow evening.
Junior, you know, so sometimes you have to take your dirty clothes them and wash them by yourself. Me wash them so till it look like a whitlow you want me to have.
Me hear about that already. Me don't want to hear about
So
that.
what?
Listen, me I say, man, me I will double up and me now come in until tomorrow evening.
From ever since you dey double up. All of a sudden you don't stop double up. Not stop double. Alright, security. Because I'm more security work you dey do make you a contract about double up.
Later, if people ain't come in and work and I want extra money, what me I go do? I work.
I know me not understand you. From ever since you dey chat about double up, and me not see no money and me, you not a pay money. Every minute you want money from me if you borrow.
Look at me.
And you dey double up.
Look at me. Me I go double up and just make sure so you collect me clothes them from now in your sister yard.
My sister no want your clothes them. She a no man, she no wear man clothes.
But me don't know if you will take them and give
She
your
no
man
want them. She no want them. And my sister man have clothes and they have washing machine and they have for her man make sure say she get a good washing machine. You they double up. I do hard work and you can't fix this and you can't buy one. Go on where you go, Junior.
Just
I
line
come
up,
like
just
a
line up my
target.
clothes them. Line up my clothes them.
Hey, what go on, sis? Me there, man. Me not some little problem, me need some money for borrow. No, sir. You come like so when time somebody call about money nowadays, especially me, you feel like a sick, me sick. Girl, nothing wrong with me, man. I just something pop up and me need like one little change to borrow. And I don't want money I want. $15,000 I want. You have that? No, sir, by weekend me give it back to you. Weekend. And when the weekend again? Saturday. Yeah, Saturday me give it back to you. Yeah, me there home. Alright. In case I'm coming out, me there outside, me sitting down outside. So in case I'm come here. Alright. Nobody make fear man know nothing, cause I don't know what is wrong with him, cause I don't know. For some reason I feel like him not like me. And I'm miserable, I shoot me attack, cause I know I stay already. Yes, I shoot me attack. Nobody make him know nothing, cause everything you tell him. Alright, girl, alright. The case and come. Alright, yes, alright, okay.
You look so. You're stressed out about it.
Well, I'm glad me have you,
Yeah, man.
I'm
So-
glad me have you, I'm not lie.
Anyway, me not ever hesitate. Because I don't want you say you're sick, you're hungry, nothing at all. Me carry money come, 15,000. You not ever have to give me back.
I love you, you know?
I love you too. You're my best sister in the whole world.
I
You
love
don't
you.
have to make it neighbor them sick. Then just fast round here so. Put in your pocket. So what go on?
But there. So for your man see it, you
You
know?
know, say, me not think so, you see.
How make you not like me?
I don't know, you know, I saw some dirty man stay. Right, you know, me I wonder if I feel left him because me and you are sister. And every minute, you have to mention your name to me. Why you always talk about you? You don't want me to give you nothing. He like say, me pick me. Me I give him breast in the palm breast. Me I give him milk. Every minute, you give your sister this, you give your sister that. But if me ask you for anything, you can't give me.
The boy bad mind. But me not tell you to left him. Because for your man. Me not tell you to left him, you know?
For me, man, let me tell you something. Although me and him there, me not trust him neither. That's why me not even want to give him money. Into
Look here.
disgusting, man.
But the last time I check, a man give man money, you know?
And every minute he want me to give him money like him and me pick me and me have to give him to go to school for paying for buy lunch and breaks. Else if me not give him police will lock me up. Me not give him no money. Because if me give him money and he don't give me back, me and him have big war around there. Go have to come around there with police because
No,
me
girl,
no
no.
joking.
No, girl, me no want.
Too disgusting. He just dung in a me so.
Sister.
Every minute he want money
Sister,
from me like me and mama.
sister. Sit and drop on you. Me no want you. Don't. You see, sometimes when him attack, don't answer him. Answer him.
Sometimes me ignore it. God forgive me and pardon me. I'm a man and me sorry say me have fit style him so man. But me not like him in too friggin' lazy. Why every minute me have to give him money so look here sis. I know like me never give money yet still you know. Me give money enough time I true me not tell you.
So when do it fee money when work?
Me don't know him maybe I love girl road and they come home and contract with babes and then say me love you. You know them kind of dirty man they come trick me and take me money every minute. And me and your sister in time me give you affect him. And me not give him one time.
Come like say me sit down too long.
If me not give him one time, me and him in a big quarreling around there. Whole neighborhood here and if they come over they come ask you why problem. Me can't bother with him.
And him have to borrow your money. Where am I doing the fee money?
And that mother like for know.
And you have to pay all the bills in our house.
Me say to him too much time and me can't get no answer now. Me don't know why problem. Me I must see bank. Me I fee him bank.
Or my bank him money. I feel him name in a bank account.
Me can't see that the bank book they don't all. Me want to see me do one card. Me don't know much in there.
So look here. So how comes you put his name in your bank account, but you don't know if your name in his bank account?
True, me say me love him. Me
Yeah,
just
yeah.
say in case anything happen to me, me just put his name in mine. He can just draw money.
Yeah,
Me go a
idiot.
doctor and so. It looks so.
Me not tell you how to live your life still, you know. Me not tell you how to live your life. You understand? But me only ask you if you're an idiot.
You look like me an idiot for you. Because no care what you do, me take up my things them and give him see me all my money.
You gotta put some sense in your head. You hear me? Yes, when you go home, me no want you have no problem, you know. You want to see the bank account. Show him your one, so look here. So my one here, see there, is my name and your name in it. So what about your own? Go there now, have money, mama name in the bank book. Stay there. Now wise up and have sense here. Because look here, me can't fight as much for you, but on everything me can't fight for you. You have to stand up and fight your own fight, my sister. You understand? Because something about him, I don't know why he not like me. I know why he not like me, you know. And because I can't see right through him. My mother always tell me, say, that I feel two with mother. Because if sometimes you act like me and you not the same mother. Because you come off of one different material from me.
I same mother but different father, but me love you. Me not go make sake of him make me in a no argument. God know, come like I said, me dey blind when me
Girl,
see him. Me not tell
you forget what mother always tell me, say? She say you must look through one needle and see what pin make out her. I come like say something wrong with you.
Achoo.
You're nasty.
She always tell me that.
Look here. You're not seeing. Me never say you're nasty, you know. Because me know say sometimes when you ground there and you talk to him, he twist me words them. That said man the way you have.
You always do it.
Him wicked, me not like him.
Anyway, sis, me have to go run now because your thunder the roll and sitting like rain I go fall. Me have some clothes from line and I want to go take them up.
No, me there pick two jelly again, but
When
go
me
on.
come back, man, you know any little thing me there your foot if you want money for borrow food, anything at all, just call me.
Me there
We
pick,
carry come
me
carry
there
you
pick
come
two
pick up.
jelly gear. Me I slung back look a bit and think more and share the cause. Me there pick two jelly gear, but go on. Me not bother gear cause the first if me gear, I me go make drink.
All right, sis. Later. When we reach one, me call you.
All right, me
Here?
love you here.
Yeah, man. Love you too.
All right, weekend.
Yeah, take care of yourself.
All right, me honey.
You know, some they are pre-say if you could have them want $5,000.
Why you never asked for the day before?
Because I know me just wanted that's why I ask you.
But me not have no money right now because my sister did call me and ask me for more money. And say she have some important business to start out. Me don't know if I must have some bills with a light bill, water it or what, but you know, say my sister me have to lend her. So me not have no more money leave. Me give it to her.
You see how funny it is. Anytime your sister call you, I could have me last money, you run gang give her. But as soon as me ask you for your money for borrow, you can tell me this and tell me that. Eh? You see how you go? Eh? You always are going like say you want to put your sister in front of me. And I'm here, your man.
Junior, you know something I don't like how you stay? I don't like how you stay. Every time you always have some confrontation with me about you don't like how I stay. Me don't like how you stay. I'm my sister and she in a certain difficulties. She says she have some bills to pay. The one little money me have, me take it and give her. Me tell her say me not have none. If me did have mother girl, come and shine me lend her money.
Yeah, but when you want to like you know you're content about your sister, I don't want you not about your sister, you don't know so me not too like your sister either. And you're content about your sister.
What if you hear yourself? We're just saying no adult because that is my blood sister. You is just my man. Not because, but still for her. I'm my sister and if she run out of stuff and me have it, me go give her. You know if me did have it, mother give it to you. Me not like how you stay, you know. God knows I me not like how you stay. You always do this. Look how much time me give you money. And not every time me go give you money, me look like a bank.
Me sure say, you this way you said to me, you wouldn't say it to your sister, you know.
I'm a sister that. You have to understand that.
So what that have to do with me say your sister?
Look here, let me tell you something, Junior. You is just my man. She is my blood sister. You understand? If me no give you money one little time, that should even cause no kind of problem at all between me and you. So me no know where you can cause contention to become me say me no have me lend me sister. You is just my man. I'm a sister forever. Me not fit there forever. You can left me and go to 20 or 30 different women. I go still my sister. Me no have no money every time I come knock down me for money my youth.
Me nah quarrel and me nah say nothing. Everything good. Everything good.
Me come tell me about you know like my sister. I mean I understand you. What my sister do to you? Why you not like her? Why you don't like my sister? Every time you come knock me about you not like my sister, you not like my sister. It look like a some jealousy thing a go on between you and my sister and what me give she for our what me not give you. Like you dey look funny one kind of way and they say, you can't give me this and look here man, that is my sister.
Everything good. As I said.
Biological sister. Same woman. No, you can't do that. Me not like what you just said, Jonah. Me not like it.
And I don't say me nah quarrel, you know. But just to make you know still. But everything good. Everything good. Me figure out something for myself. Everything good.
Every minute you run out of money. Every minute you run out of money.
But
And you should have give me money every
Yeah,
time. They
money.
come knock down me for money every minute.
you're going like say you don't say money at Jamaica no value money.
Me know say money out and no value nothing. Well, the work what they do, you not pay anything, go look at different work. Don't come stress me out.
Everything good, man. Alright. Alright.
Junior,
Huh?
been I think about it and forget to tell you say me actually go start work. Me get one local work and me go start.
So like you get the little work, you know, what we are gonna do with the baby?
Well, we'll have to come up with a plan. Because me have to start work, me need some money. And Lila getting bigger, so we need to start do some savings.
Alright. Here me could handle. Me know say you don't really know much of my family and thing. A matter of fact, you don't know none of them. I me not feel comfortable for them to know it either because me no want to mash up my relationship. But me have this one sister where you know really stay like the rest of them still, my good smarty. I could have probably ask her to keep a baby for me.
Well, so that the sister there, where she live.
She live around some man. She live around so. So no worry yourself, man. She a good smarty. Me ask her, she not gonna tell me no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. No,
Yeah. As long as you say a good somebody, and I know so me pick now get no ill treatment or you know them
yeah, man.
stuff
So
there.
what make bro do? But just want make she keep it baby most of the time like how you go work. And you know say me work too, so therefore me make she keep it baby most of the time. And sometimes me can carry baby go up for my house too. You know what I say? Can from me yard to your yard. And now and then when I get little time and day after we just carry baby come. Alright?
So your sister work?
Not really, she not work. She not work. She have a little money a come in, but she not work. She not do a 9 to 5.
So she couldn't come stay with the baby because me not really want and my girl fit me no want thing.
No man, a woman and me I go there no man and she not and a woman will love people place like that. She love her little one space and her yard. So she not really want to come stay.
Well, if you say so, if you say a good somebody, but would I really love fish at least come stay here with her?
She not go like that. I'm matter of fact when I time me make a meet her. But for now, she go happy to see with little girl because she never really meet her yet and her niece, so she be happy.
So why one night time, why me can't just meet her now?
You wouldn't understand. When the time right, man. Don't worry yourself about that. Don't worry yourself. When the time right.
Ever hide for your family business, you know?
Babes, I don't really hide my family business. Me don't tell her if my family them most of them are not some good people.
But
Right?
no family no good, so why a big deal? Look how long we did together.
Babe, make we focus on you getting the work and my sister staying with the baby. Me don't really want to talk about my family right now. Alright? Alright?
I hear you.
Alright. That good. So maybe just carry baby go and make she meet him.
Just make sure so they don't come broke me pitney bad, because I don't have a particular way how I want to grow my child. So just make sure so they maintain that.
Babe,
Where you get people pitney from?
you know, say I want my friend baby, and to tell you honest truth, he pick me a suffer. So me dey a pray say, boy, like what one picnic we have, we could add up her. What you think?
This a pitney look like in a sofa to you.
Boy,
Look on this a clean, nice pitney in a nice, good hairstyle. Come over here, so little girl, and may drop off of the bed. Sit down there, so.
babes, you wouldn't understand. You just want sweating, you want sweating live in condition. And a nice go picnic like this enough you suffer so. You know what no matter choose
So what make you take up you put on your head, so? How what happen? Little girl, sit down.
sit down, baby, sit down. No man, listen, I not take me, I take up upon your head. Me just when I think, you know, I say, boy, I want you to have and your plan get done. Tell me say you don't want hand up picnic already. Somebody
When me and you hold them the kind of argument, they don't tell them like Pam, you always a do that. I want son you give me. Me tell us I can't breathe again. Don't play with me. So, wait, hold on.
Yeah, but listen, babe. Listen what I tell us.
Me not understand. No understand.
Babes, listen what I say.
Where you get the picnic from? Care about the people them picnic. But you think me an idiot?
Listen what I say, babes.
So a chick you come for trick me people?
No, listen what I tell us, man. It's not even say you tell me say no one more picnic. Me now expect say you at your age now.
And this you
go get one more picnic.
Little girl, stop it nice and then your big people attack.
A baby.
Where you get her from?
A baby.
Mr. say a baby, but where you get people picnic from, you better care about go which part. Nobody
Yes, let me explain to you until I walk on.
Explain. You still explain?
Yeah, me
Alright,
explain.
go on,
Listen, man, at your age, me not expect say you go want more picnic And me want at least one little picnic if you run around the house, you can't take care of it. So
So you just see anybody pick me a road and say them a suffer and you just carry them home, come give me so me an idiot to take you and look after it.
no, it's not to say it's not anybody.
How me you come chat about age? If me even 90 and me want breed, me can't breed. You're older than you like to see me take up one picnic from out the road, carry me a phone, tell us if you take care right. And on years.
Yeah, but if somebody pick me and suffer, nothing wrong with that, will be good.
Oh,
people.
you see the suffer part? This a pick me and then nowhere near suffer. So me no know where they come with, where they come off of, or where you take me for, but me no believe this a kind of story. I better you carry back. Carry back eh.
Babes, just hear me out. Hear me out.
See then you let mash up my figure read them.
A baby man, that's so then stay. And you know what to. But listen, me I tell you, say. You don't like we have Raj and Raj there and we can't take care of it and somebody not jump in and give you a helping hand.
Something fishy, but me not sure right.
No fishy man.
Anyway.
But here what? Me okay back baby and you can think about it a little bit more. You understand? What you think about it, man. Not jump to conclusion and start say me this and me that and re. Me never give you no reason yet to feel say me I do nothing. And a people pick me, you know, see that
Junior.
they pick me to look like a me.
You hear yourself? You junior where they borrow money from me all the while. Take people pick me where you say they suffer. Carry come give me. For me and you take care of it.
And all the
You
while,
must stop borrow money from
listen,
Frankie.
and all the
You must
while,
stop.
bro.
You get a
All the
job.
while, bro. Sometimes me have money.
Oh. Anyway.
But
Me think about it, you know, cause I want little baby. Anyway, you know what? Go on. Me see about it. Me no
come
know.
little girl, come.
Me think about it.
Come, me go carry her back and then just think about it, alright?
Babe. Wake up.
Um,
From morning you sleep until now. Me can't believe. Why you sleep so?
tired, man.
You asleep. And me cannot sleep. All night it come like the little baby there on my mind where you tell me about. Say she has suffer.
Eh?
Yeah, me not stop think about it. It a bother my mind. I mean, me really don't want to see no little picnic suffer. Me don't want no children suffer and me can't help them and don't help them. So me think about it. Me think about it hard last night. Me think me go adapt her. You can carry her come.
Then here I come.
Yes.
Alright, no problem. Me just hope it.
You
What time I know?
say it won't be a problem to the mother?
No, man, not gonna be no problem, man. I mean, me not gonna tell her say him mother glad to get rid of her, but because they must suffer so much, and I kind of know for them live a yard too. She just want if he does somebody to take him. So me we just go down there and talk to her again.
So how much children she have?
Me not really too sure how much she have, but I'm more than one.
More
So-
than one. So you need to talk to her, your friend.
Yeah, man, me know her good.
You
good,
need to
man.
talk to her and tell her say next time when she go do them something that she need to protect herself because it don't make no sense as a woman you just a walk around and have children and you can't help to support or afford to take care of them and they give them away like a fowl of chicken.
That's true. So here me go do. Me go just run go down her yard and make she put together some little clothes for her and make her come. I'm really happy and thank you for think about it because as me did tell you before, we have a youth already and wouldn't want to know say anything happen to you or anything happen to me and he don't have nobody out in our world to help him. So me really appreciate it. I mean know say she go appreciate it too. Alright?
So that means we have to go adoption board then.
Well, babe, you know what Jamaica stay when we now have to go through nothing legal if you say adopt him, but we can just take him.
Just take him so.
Yeah. Babes, you know what Jamaica
So
stay.
you're saying
This
no
is my
problem
summer.
now going on.
No problem now go in a hit. You know what Jamaica turn already. You can just take one picnic from somebody and just raise him
Anyway.
as your one.
You can carry her come because a whole heap of food we throw away and other people picnic want it. I mean, no one God send me. So just bring her come. Me take care of her.
Alright.
Alright. Me dey look about your breakfast.
Alright.
She can go brush your teeth and wash your face and have your breakfast.
Me talk back to my sister in regards to baby. Come baby.
Come.
Yeah, lift her up. Yeah. So me talk to her and she said she reconsider and she willing to stay with the baby. Me know she did kind of hesitant at 1st and never want to stay with her, but me tell her situation, man, and she willing to stay with her.
Oh. Well, that's really good. And I really appreciate the help with her, you know, because she a grow and, you know, things are get expensive. So I appreciate the help.
Yeah, man. So that means you know, me can just carry her, go left her with her, and you can just focus on work and we
Yeah.
can make some money.
So
Alright.
true.
So me can carry her go now today. So no. So
Today?
yeah, today. So that means as soon as possible. Come.
May I go, Mr.
Come, baby. Where you want to go? You go for your bag.
Yes, go and see your bag.
Go on for your bag. Go on.
Cup your bag.
Alright. So yes, so me can just carry her bag with her things and she. Alright.
Well, may go miss me one girl. Come here,
Man,
Layla.
I just said, come man, I just feel know. Meanwhile, I go and work and thing, she can go and take care of her. Alright?
Get that box.
Alright. So come, Layla, come. Let's go.
Come, give me a hug before you leave.
Yeah, hug her,
Before you
man.
leave. You go miss mommy? You love me.
That's the love
I
her.
love you. And I hear you. I love you. Huh? Love you. I love you too.
Babes. Alright, see baby here, you know.
Hi. What's your name? Your name is Layla? Wow.
Yes.
Beautiful girl.
Alright, so babes. I'm gonna run up on the road, so just keep her and then fall back here.
Alright, so.
Alright, yeah, man.
You want chips?
Yeah,
You
man,
want chips?
yeah, chips.
Alright, now get chips and then me go on the street, yeah? Good girl. Sis!
Hey. What, my sister?
There, man. You good?
I'm
Why?
good.
I'm tired. You know where me I walk from?
So you babysit. Where you get people pick me from?
I'm not really babysit me. I adapt her.
Adapt who?
Junior saying see one lady down the road with the little girl and how the little girl has suffer and everything. So me no want have food and money a waste while somebody child want it. You understand, son? Me rather take care of her.
Come here.
Wait, baby, wait.
Come
wait,
here.
Wait.
Lord have mercy.
She pretty, not true?
Yeah, she pretty.
I want to make her laugh so sis. How what happen?
What you said,
How
June?
How are you saying, Dodo?
No,
She
no
not-
smell no do. She
she
not
not-
defecate.
How
Nothing wrong with her.
So what make her laugh so? Her
This a
clothes-
look up
her
in here.
clothes don't look dirty. Wait.
This a look up in here. Junior tell us I suffer.
I did I think about it too, but you know, man still in love convince someone and something, and true, I'm a man, you know, I just send me adapt the little girl, cause it did a nag me. That bother my brain. Me tell him no, and then me think over it and say, alright, you can bring her home.
You know, so me have to take bad sit now and make a laugh though. And I really laugh,
I
me I laugh. You know.
understand why you
At something like that, me I grieve my spirit, you know. Me I tell you the truth.
How happen?
My spirit well grieve right now. You see, Junior, me tell you something, me not like him, you know. Him not like me, and I know me not like him. Cause all along, all the little problem where him claim to say him have with me not pay him no mind. You understand? Me make it slide. You understand? Me make everything what is about me. Me make it slide. Because me realize you love him. But my sister, me tell you something. No love no man more than how you love yourself. You see this little pitney here? Me know her mother.
You know her mother?
What you mean if me know her mother, not cherry daughter? Come here. Come here, baby. Here. Here. Come here, pretty baby. Come. Come here. Come here. Come here. I know this look up in here. Me and her mother go to school. Yes,
Why?
look for me. Me and her mother go to school. This a look up in and suffer. Me know her mother good.
No man, he really a suffer for children because
Girl,
know that the
look
girl
here, sis, Candy. Your sister ever lied to you yet?
No. Not that I know of.
You said this little pitney here, she's not suffering. I know her mother very well. We went to school together. You see for your man when name Junior, that's why I have to chat patwa, you know. You hear them, some people not like how me talk? Listen, you need to start to go and brawling with your mouth with your man. And make you know which part you stand up in your life. Look here, girl. Don't make nobody come fool you up and brainwash you. Look here, this little girl you not suffer. Me and this little girl, mother, we are friends. You know, yeah, my sister, nah hide no secret from me not keep no secret from you, because all along me I say, me don't want to mash up your life, and then look at something there, and my mother always say, what you don't know won't hurt you. You understand? And look here, enough things me know Junior go and I never say nothing to you, but you say this is too much, me have to tell you, girl. Junior and Cherry, they.
What you just say, sis? Gigi, me hear you, but you come like me not hear what you say good. So you want to tell me, say, Junior really, they would want woman out the road, breed the woman, and carry the woman picnic and give me, and they ask me if other people can picnic and suffer? Junior,
Girl, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know if a Junior the picnic father, but I know some of the little girl godmother.
Here again.
Achoo! Me a the little girl godmother, I don't know if a Junior and father. Me I tell you the truth, I don't think I know Junior and father.
Junior, where I said Junior and Cherry there.
Junior and Cherry there.
The picnic mother. So,
Lord have mercy, God.
Which part the mother live?
Petersfield. You know of Miss Vivian, we have a restaurant?
Yes.
She live right beside Miss Vivian, right there, so.
Oh, I think me know that already. You know, some I go find down area door.
Hey, your man wicked, you know?
In past wicked, me no know if he classy.
Your man wicked, you know?
I done with him.
Candy.
Me done with him.
I don't tell her if you done with him or not. Tell her if you not done with him, but he wicked. And he out of and pass in place now.
You know
Get up.
Other day he come to me about money and something. And you know why I come tell me say, just because I tell him say me send him piece of dirty clothes them run and my sister yard to wash because his machine broke down and you have machine. He might not tell me say him not like you. He not trust you. Kind of why you feel hobby and close them.
That is why me tell you, he want to break up a relationship with me. Because all he might feel like something I can use to, you know. But look here.
That wouldn't concern him.
Look here. Tell him say me, Gigi, say a Cherry beat me. And him and Cherry then can't beat me. Me not afraid of boy. Boy too out, that boy gone too far now. Sis, the boy gone too far now, man.
I done with him.
He hurt me heart. As much as I love a little girl and me a little girl godmother, this opinion now suffer girl.
Done with him, Gigi.
I liar, the man wicked. He wicked, man for wicked, but not so.
He can go to cherry, mango, orange, or banana. Me no business. Me done with him.
Take him.
All right.
Back people, pitney them, go give them. Pitney now suffer.
All right. Thank you for telling me. Not another day in my house.
I love you, you know.
I love you too, sis. And thank you for telling me. I
love
can't
you.
believe you so dirty Jonas stay.
Dirty if you throw him wicked, boy wicked so till he look bad. But him not like me and me a obey him. Come on him too.
Hello?
You must be Junior sister. Come on in.
Jonas sister.
I miss you so much. Oh, God, you good? Miss me? Can I miss mommy?
Can I sit down?
Yes, please. So, finally get to meet you.
I don't understand this.
Understand what?
So are you named Cherry? Please.
Yes, man. I'm
So
Cherry.
you is the baby mother?
Yeah, you know, see, she favor me. Splitting
Jesus.
resemblance. So what you so shocked?
Me have to shot because as me come inside,
Alright, go on.
you shout out if I'm me a junior sister. I am not junior sister. I'm me a junior woman, me and baby mother. Me and Junior live together.
What you really have said to me? You, a junior woman? Look how long me and Junior there.
How long since you're in there?
Over 5 years now. And see with that, you're 3-year-old and you can't tell me that.
A 15 year they go to 16 year me and Junior there. I did not know that Junior have a woman
really have said to
outside.
me, lady.
I never know say Junior keeping a woman outside with me. And then come trick me and tell me how pitney they suffer. Say the little girl has suffer.
Look for my daughter. My daughter like him a suffer to you.
You know, so I could have tell from the first day when him come with the child in my yard.
So why you never say anything?
No, who me fi say to I do not know you. Ask and get information and know say a year so when they come and a year so the mother live. Remember say you don't know me, it's the first time you seen me and the first time me seeing you.
So what really a go happen now? Look how the situation get.
Listen what I'm saying. You see Junior, all I know that I take up a man that I say I love and think he was a trustworthy person, but he's a criminal, dishonest, dirty little wretch.
I just yesterday, Mr. Junior. You know?
Me can just imagine the amount of lie when tell you. Because if him can look on you when they keep with me and tell you say, me and his sister and his sister are going to keep your child. So the two of we are too fool because you believe him. Same a care. Candy, my name.
Candy, your name?
Yes, my name is Candy.
But you know, say the boy they want somebody.
You know what the two of we should have. Let me tell you something. Me no Cherry. Me hear say your name Cherry. You understand? And me no come at your yard because I would never blame you. Enough time you see woman, the outer road that cause other woman, take a man, them fi think first. The two women fi turn around and give the man one piece of ass because he deserve it. Him is a liar, dirty wretch. Junior is the worst man ever me ever take up in my life. I see me and him there so long. And me believe him.
But Candy,
Junior ever they come to me, they borrow money from me.
Borrow money from you and Junior work so hard. So all them money when come in here and give me a few money my use.
And my money. And then when he work, he tell me how he hold this and he hold that and he have to trust people lunch and shop and when he get him pay, he have to pay you out. But any money he can come give you, can he always want money for borrow from me.
But Candy.
So me and him ever there in a problem.
But you know, say we are some really idiot. Imagine
who are we are idiot? Because he trick you and then he turn around and come trick me.
But I want look community, so how me never feel know. Not just up there say you live, mama. Oh, no. Me never. Oh, nobody not tell me this.
You know, so me left him though. So if you want him, you can take him. I wickedest man, I mean, know what he do me. He might go do you, and when you left him, he might go do one next woman. So he go end up by himself.
You're right.
Woman,
one
stop
thing.
Fight over man.
One thing you're right.
First.
We need to teach that dirty boy a lesson.
Yes, the two should have turned on and give him a good ass. Because I trick you. Because he want there with you, he trick me or he say pick me and suffer and he sorry for woman on road. What a wicked man. Did you know that I wash, cook and clean for Junior for 15 years going on to 16 years and every minute Junior broke all when him at work. Whether him at work or in a work, Junior always want money from me. He ever broke. So he take me money and give you.
So I too did the boy and him.
Yes.
Me wash, cook and clean for Junior. All the naughty head when have a me
and
wash.
The other day come home and come argue with me about say if me not washing clothes them. And me tell him say the machine broke down, me go grown and my sister go wash it. Suppose the ear and go on. Suppose your ear out dirty Junior. Wait till me grown and see.
So I no machine in there so.
Oh, so you take me money buy machine give you too. Can't tell me oh you don't have nothing at all. And him go help you and give you this and him go give you that. And I must take care of the baby thing because the baby has suffered and he know a long time. You and him a friend.
Thank you, Miss Candy, but me take it from you, so. I'm just glad you bring back my daughter to me.
Okay, well, anything me have, me we give the child same way because I want a nice little girl and I love her. She's very nice, so. Bye, Layla. Bye. Love you. No. It was nice meeting you here. You have a nice mother. You're pretty like your mother, you know? Yes, bye-bye. Bye, baby. Alright.
Thank you so much again, because I never know said I messed up near going.
You know, so you could have given me my number because I want me and you buck up Junior one at a time.
Yeah, man.
How we need to give him a good lashing. Outside that. Here you go, Layla. Here is your bag.
Come put
Bye,
your bag in
baby.
the
All right, Cherry.
Alright, see you.
Yeah.
Babes, which part the baby? And how you look so? How me do? And I'm here ask you which part the baby there and answer me.
Which baby? Which baby you come and ask me about? Your woman baby where you take from road and carry come give me and tell me, oh, pitney and suffer and me for other pitney. And me turn around and sorry for the pitney. Which baby? No. Talk it true now, Junior. God Almighty, I said it wicked.
Babes, where you get that foolishness stuff from? Where you get the story from? Eh? Where you get the story from?
Junior, me here for 15 years ago to 16 years. And God Almighty, I saw you did evil. You could have poisoned me and killed me. What a wicked, heartless man like you.
Not say that, man. Not say, babe,
What?
Not say that. Not say that.
Junior, you is my enemy. Me lie down with my enemy and sleep in a bed. You is my enemy. We never there. We don't go there together, but we not there. Lie together, sleep together.
Alright,
we are not together like this.
Let me tell
You're
you.
too wicked and evil and heartless and cruel. What kind of heart you have?
I can't explain.
Me no want hear nothing from you. You shouldn't have the heart for talk neither. You're too brave. I should have seen me draw from you only cross your face and just make you go to station and then lock me up and done. Because I can't believe I saw you stay. Junior, you really there with Cherry and take Cherry daughter. And come tell me you see Pitney and suffer and you know girl and you and them a friend. And me where you sit down here so. The idiot, this are the fool where you have the ton idiot over 15 years. Take the people them Pitney about Pitney and suffer. And take your right. Wash clothes, comb baby ear, everything me do make sure say she not hungry.
Let me explain. Me can
That time a girl where they deal with Pitney you can't come on me yard.
Let me explain. Me can explain.
You're too evil. Junior, me done with you. Me no want you no more. God no, me not go no further with this more than me know say me done with you. So you guess what? Me done with you. If Cherry want you, she can take you, but me not have nothing to do with you. Me cut you off clean.
So you're gonna make because this a little something here.
Little? God Almighty, then I want big for you. If you call big things small, what big for you? Junior said it, stay seat there, you can't talk. Wicked. You think you can friend me up all the while you trick me? All the days of my life, you trick me and make me end up in a general hospital. Now you want to turn me reckless. Look here, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't want to hear nothing about achu this a little something here. Me go say me and you left.
All right.
We never there from the beginning and me did think that say you did me man. We never there. You is not me man. You out a road, we are share. You live double life.
All right, so hear me I go do. Me I go. Yo.
Double life we are living now.
Yo, here what? Me I go just left. Come back for me clothes.
Which clothes? What make you come and come chat about clothes now? Which clothes? You little dirty nasty clothes them where the double life where you are live with me and Cherry. So when you go out that the woman the yard, in the clean clothes them when me wash, you go put with Cherry in a heat. And then me take it. Remember say the piece of old broke down machine, not working and me carry your dirty clothes them grown and my sister yard go wash it. And no me no go feed them so then run the panny line. Syrians who come down there, if you want them, go and go take them up off the line because me done with you. Me not take them up. And remember say if you not take it clothes pin them and borrow me borrowed from my sister because me don't carry clothes pin them from around here. You're too evil man.
Me can't go say me sorry because you done there already and me done get the baby already. So me just call it a day. Me go down a Cherry. Look at me.
Because you done can't do what you say. Where you when the chat say about you can't get more picnic from me.
Why Candy? Your man wicked enough? He wicked man, me not tell no lie, boy wicked. The boy wicked, man for wicked but not so. He too bitter, him bitter like gall.
A long time you don't want about him. But you see true, me did love him. Me see some of my wickedness them way when they do. But me thinking that change. Me never know say one man can wicked so. You see if me did follow you from the beginning, this wouldn't happen. But true me I say me love. Me love. But the love of me love him and my sister. That no means I love Junior more than you. And he know that I make him the jealous so. I make him not like you. But thank God, you tell me, I find out. I go down at the woman when he and Cherry, the little picnic mother. And she seems like she's a nice person. Yes. I wouldn't mind she did plan with me. And make me and him go bust Junior ass. Because Junior is a wicked. Double life him a live. Me not like that. And me not keep up with that no longer. Me take your advice and me learn from it. Junior is a wicked, but you see the next woman will take him up. If no other woman they will take him up, because Cherry tell me plain and straight, say, him no want, she no want him no more. No more in her life. And me tell her, say me done with him too. So me no know what go happen.
So you really done with him for true?
Me done with him, me left him. Me left him for good now, me no want him back.
After all way and him go through, me not tell if I left him, you know.
Well,
Because at least I Raj father, me not tell if I left him.
Look here.
But you must know every heart know their own sorrows. Because listen, me not tell if I left him. Me not tell you if I left him. You understand? Because it one who come from far. But when me I say, you see at the rate where him a go, remember me tell you, man, him too dangerous. Him too dangerous, you know. Because Cherry, we tell him, me know Cherry, no Cherry, are my friend. Cherry will tell you that she a left him and she no left him.
Well, me no give a damn.
Me only I tell you.
I don't care a foot if Cherry want to with him forever. Thank God she find out who Junior is. Because as me enter the door, you're Cherry to me. Oh, you're Junior sister. My daughter, and take the picnic long time.
So he feel say you and Junior sister.
How what Junior tell the girl say, me can't blame the girl.
Lord have
Can't
mercy,
blame
God.
her.
If lie was a person, that would have been
When they
Junior.
pack up for me head a lie, and they pack up the next woman head a lie.
Junior is a pathological liar. Let me tell you something. That's why I don't like me, you know. Because me always see him, you know. But you see, because me you love him, me not carry no news to you. Because look here, as me tell you, say, when mother always tell me, say, where I no see heart, no lip, and where you no know won't hurt you. So me, know you love him, and me try my best.
Top France, I love him now. Me not love Junior no more.
That's what you say.
Junior did a live one dishonest double life. And me done with him. Me cut him off like a scissors against cardboard. Me done with Junior. The only thing me want Junior to do right now is make sure say he sustain him child. He have in mind Raj. Me alone now mind no pick me and me alone get Raj.
Stop worrying about Junior. You have your life to live. You hear? You know some love you. And me there for you. Me there for you, you know. Me don't have no way I go. Come on, make me care go. Come go buy your lunch. Come on, make me go buy your lunch. Junior go along. Junior feel later.
Me done with him. Me done with him.
JJ.
Yes.
Morning. Here we are going. Candy did tell me say she left some clothes on for your wash. So I them me come for.
You ready for them then there? Your clothes them is here.
A matter of fact, before you left, but you want to say something to you before you left, before you go for your clothes them. Me know so you must see you walk on your sister and tell her every little thing. Every little thing when me I have every little business, you run come tell her so. You must hear. You hear what go on. A matter of fact, me not go see you here. She tell me say, are you tell him say, me get picnic with Cherry. And my question is to you is how that concern you? How what law tell you say you fi go in on my business and tell me woman nothing, regardless say I'm a sister. Eh?
So who give you the right? You see? Let me ask you one question. Who give you the right to come on my yard and I can't ask me question? Who is me to Candy?
Yeah, my sister.
So you want to tell me say you have right to give my sister, your woman Pitney, to come on my yard? Let me ask you one question. If Pitney, where Candy care come on my yard, who are the child father? Did you, all right, before you answer me, you see him Pitney, you know some are the Pitney godmother?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't know?
Me know say me hear one little thing. Me not really know. Me never ask no woman nothing.
And they ask your woman nothing. You have it right. Yeah. Something wrong with you? You're so bright, I can't tell me about no, you don't ask your woman nothing. Your woman. Cherry, which is my friend. Your woman. I mean, no long time, you know. I mean, never tell my sister nothing because I never want to mash up her life. Because I love my sister. And I know me still a mash up your life. Are you with your liar tongue?
Listen, man. Me never.
Are you with your liar tongue?
All me a simple say to you say, you don't need to in my business.
Nothing no simple about what you said to me. You know, simple.
Go back to your sister and tell him say, you make one mistake. Me a good man. Go on back.
All time people that say not under my dead body, but not under for me live living body. You figure. You figure. Me I tell her that, Junior.
A long time me tell me woman say me not like you, you know. A long time me tell me woman say me not like you. And me did have a real, and now give me it proof say me really never did feel like you for true. Because if say you did a good somebody, you would encourage your sister to mash up and left me.
Me encourage my sister to mash up and left you.
Of course.
That's what she tell you. My
You don't have to tell me that.
My
You know
sister and tell you. Listen to me, man. Is it for me share and part? Me, for my sister, and you would I live forever because of one reason. And the only reason is because of Raj. And she claimed to say she love you. But you see, you is a deceiver. You are not good somebody. So you see, if my sister left you, and if my sister wants to stay with you, it's all up to she. It's not about me. For a long time, I protect my sister, you know, because me realize that me love when my sister happy. But you don't make my sister happy. You go sorry every day.
You want one. Me nobody want to close them, you know. Because as far as me concerned, probably you all work look up here me close them. So you can't keep them. Me nobody want them. Me just go buy some new clothes. Me nobody want them.
You're indulging her, Obia. Because I make every day she call me and tell me. She tell me everything, you know. And my sister and I nothing from me, you know. Every minute you cuss about Obia business. Because you're indulging her, Obia. I wonder if I tire my sister. Because, me wonder if I tire your trick her. But let me tell you this. My mother, you see, used to tell me, son, every day, leaf got water bottom me rotten. So you see, all where you go along with, look here. Me, I make preparation for my sister, you know. But me, not tell my sister, say, if left you. It's up to she. So anything you want, come on my yard, come go on and carry on with it. Change your lifestyle, your dirty lifestyle of it change. Because me don't know. Me don't know why me have to so bad lucky. Because you there with my sister, you there with my best friend.
You know what? Me not quarrel with you, you know. Because me see it's true you don't have no life. That's why you try to mash up. No matter how far that's you mash up my life.
You see me look like me not have no life. You see me look like me dead.
Me not quarrel with them, man.
Why me not circle for crumbs? Go away.
Everything good, man.
Dirty Junior, go away. Your crosses. Which one you want?
Whoa, what's that? Daddy!
So what bring you here?
You're going like some partially live there, why you can't ask me that?
No man, you must have something you want to tell me. Layla, babe. Sit up.
Alright, well, me know say you know you must know what I go on by now. Layla, me know say you must know what I go on by now. Because I see David there and Candy say when you say I know. So me know exactly say you know what I go on. So the only thing me have to say to you is I want to apologize for everything what happened. Because never my intention to make you feel no way or make you find out that way. Yeah. To say, me did have one next.
You know what? Cut all of that. What do you mean you just have to say to me? You think after all this, your attitude supposed to be just? You have a lot of things to say to me right now.
Me did just tell you the truth, yes, and make you know say me did have one next little family and thing, but things just kinda time just fly past yeah man and me just never get a chance to really tell you. I just that.
You're lame, you know? You're lame. You see the mistake what you make, and you make it seem like something simple.
Me not gonna say something simple, but done happen already and like say boy, we can turn back your hands at time. And we don't get a nice little youth together, so we just try to see if we can get past this.
Layla, come up here.
Come this side, Layla, and mind you hurt yourself. Come baby. We just try to see if we can get past this.
My decision is final, you know. You don't do what you have to do, you don't make your mistake. I mean, I need you here. Give your father him phone and come sit down here, so.
Come, go over there, so go sit down. Go on, go sit over there, so. Sit over there, so go on. You want to sit down right here, so? Alright, sit down, come fuck yourself. Sit down right there.
What is the doctor?
Yeah, doctor. You see your baby close to me?
That no have nothing to do with this. You don't make your mistake.
Alright, so you may go do. I try get one little place. And me just come for me little things that I have there.
Take it today. Take it and go on from today.
Me
Me no want to see you back in my place. And me build this.
Maybe send somebody for them. Maybe send one taxi for them. Me send one taxi for
Me
them.
no want to see you back in.
Me not have to come back. Me just ensure say whatever I baby forget.
Me no want nothing from you.
Alright, if you don't want
I can handle this.
if you don't want nothing from me, at least me would have love to see baby now and then.
See which baby?
Baby.
Hmm? Me can't do this by myself.
Daddy, that's your watch.
Alright. Go on, baby. Go on, sit over
Come,
there.
Layla.
Go on, mommy. Sit over there.
Come, take up your bungalow and come out of my place. Me I beg you for you, make my head get chip in idea.
Alright. If I that you say and that you want, no problem. Me sort out. No problem. Everything
See,
good.
you're not even a man enough to fight for your family. Go on. And that you did want a long
Everything
time. That you did want.
Wagwan.
What me, what are you dealing, man? How things?
Like, me and Candy just mash up, you know.
You want candy mash up?
Mm.
So tell me what go on, how that you know?
Why? You know, since you find out, say, me get one pick me outside.
Eh,
Mm.
you know what? Cut a long story. This is a small community, you know that. If you tell the truth, me here what go on. Everybody here what go on. Zin, so I cut around the chase and tell you what go on. Zin, till me you need some intervention. I mean, here where you go through and all them things and stuff, but you need to fix up yourself. You need to fix up yourself. You understand me? It's a thin line between love and hate. You hear me? And when me hear what you would do, if turn the table, if it was the other way around, how would I feel? You understand what I mean? I not be killing my youth, my brother. I'm here to talk to you. Me a church man and you know it. I'm going to invite you. You need to come big and serious. Sometimes you need a change. You need a change, my brother. I'm going to invite you to church.
Yeah, man, me willing to come, because right now, boy, if I even fi come and she can see some me change, and probably might think about it and give me a chance.
You go come, but you not come because of what happen. You have to be very serious. You don't play with church, son. You understand me? You do not play with church. I mean, why you come there because of what you feel or because of changes. You understand what I mean? In your heart. You come to church, do what you have to do, worship, change your life. She will say, I better you. I can guarantee you. Anybody can change. I say worse than that and hear about worse than that and it happen. But I'm inviting you to church.
Alright, so normally, we're now in church keep.
Yeah, we don't even know in church keep in this community. That bad man.
A long time I don't come to church, man. So
Yeah, but you know, some of the friend and Christian no come back. But we keep service sometimes, you know, 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday and Friday in the evening sometime and so forth. But you know, Sunday definitely is a general thing. I will be welcome you, man. You need to come.
Alright, me pass through, but everything good with you though.
Everything well, good still, but you don't know, so we don't take it day by day. You know, everybody has a complaint, but you know, it goes on and
Alright.
stuff. Alright?
But big up yourself and thank you for your encouragement.
Encouragement, I want to see you. And you know what I'm going to do? I'll come for you.
Yeah, man.
If I don't see you, I'm going to come for you.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Alright?
Alright.
You need that change.
Alright, look more.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
Big up my
yeah,
boss.
man. Yeah, man.
Take care, sir. Have a nice day.
Good evening, Candy.
I wish breeze blow you around here, so you come and come and tell me good evening. Which one of the breeze them blow you around here so a fumigate? What could I cost this?
Let me explain, Candy. Firstly, I want to say I am sorry. I'm sorry for all of the things I did before. But to be honest, at this point in time, I'm a man of God. Yes, I am a Christian. I have been born again, saved and sanctified. And I want to make amends. I don't just want to go in a church and I say, God, and just left this undone. I love you, you know. I love you. And I want to make you right.
Hurry up and tap me, go about my business. Because right now, I don't believe you. You are man of God. Which one of the child of God you be? At which church you attend?
I got a holiness church. A holiness church I attend.
Holiness.
Yes. So here you are. If start it off, I want to start it off the right way. So this, I want engagement ring. I kind of have bad knee. And I want to go down too long for my knee. As a matter of fact, I can't even go down for my knee. My knee hurt me. Candy, how trying? Yeah.
No. I don't know where you get that from. I don't know if a trick you come to trick me. You come to use the head palm me again.
No.
You don't use the head palm me and tell me how other people pick me. I know you come with ring. Where you come to come trick me again? You look like I'm the only woman there in the world where you can look. You don't see no other woman out there. Want to cherry.
Candy, listen to me, I say. You see, God business and a ramping business. I mean, I'll just tell you something in a church. Meanwhile, I drop me and make a serious thing this. I'll do you feel like, say,
Which
100
one
other...
the church you say you go again? Which church? What church name?
Me tell you already, I mean, no need to repeat it. I
No.
hold in this church, me go.
Which pastor? Where your pastor be? Which pastor trick you and tell us if you can't trick me?
No pastor don't even tell me nothing. Me know. Yeah,
Because when
listen,
them a
man.
look make up in a church, then tell the church member them say they feel married and baptized and one person because them a look number.
Nobody not tell me
Me
that.
not
Listen,
make up
let me
no
tell you
church
honest
if you not
truth.
real.
Let me tell you honest
Me
truth.
fake pastor
Let me tell you
business.
honest truth. Me take a long little while and do some introspection and look into myself and know where me go wrong. And me know say this year I want good footing to start off and me gone in a church, you don't have me pick me already, and maybe just take your hand in a marriage and set it right.
Junior, how long since you start go church? Cause me a left from when I know all of a sudden breeze blow you around here. So the woman them where you there with them nobody want it. So I mean I idiot to go take you back.
Can me tell you, sometime in a life, some things have to happen for you to take a deep look into yourself and know where you go. Candy and she would never understand it. Honestly to God. You not understand. You not understand.
Stop it crying. Why you cry?
Listen, you not understand, man.
Stop it crying no.
My heart full and I know where me go wrong. Me go wrong. You want good woman, you know, Candy? You want good woman and me make the devil fool me up. And make me feel like say your sister enemy. Honestly, me sorry. Me sorry. You not have to really take a ring right now. You don't have to put on a ring right now, but just
So why you giving a ring there? Why? How can I ring that?
I want engagement ring, or if you want to call it promise ring. You don't have to put on it right now, just hold it in your hand. You don't have to put on it right now. Me just want to make things right. Me just want take a couple of time and...
No, put it on my hand. What kind of trick you still a trick me? See me, I know you don't know if you do nothing in a real life.
Alright, so me put it on your hand there. Alright, yeah man. So here you are.
Me love you, you know. Love you, man. Me love you. Me love you. So here what? Me right now, you see me just up and look. I go out with pastor go see if we can go look for some people down at infirmary. Cause we normally go pray for them and keep prayer meeting with them down at infirmary. So we are good on there right now. So just take a little time, think about it, and we will see you again. Alright? So if anything later. Alright? Alright, later. And tell Rad some love him.
Me I go up on the road with pastor and a few of the other church members them. Go see if we can do local ministry. Yeah man, link up with people where
Just one button upon this.
yeah, just fold up man, fold up. I'm go buy a few more new shirt because like when me in a church I know I'm gonna need some nice long sleeve shirt and maybe a few jacket. You understand? But if you come to church with me too, you know.
Me I go come. Me not like this.
Alright, that's alright man.
I get you a church or I buy you one button upon this.
I buy a long time I didn't have it but I just threw me have it so long the button name pop off. That's why I have to go buy some new one. Fold it one more time. Alright, so all I do just cook local food for me until me come back later.
Just say go on the road, go minister and do other stuff pertaining to the church.
Yeah man.
Alright.
Yeah man. And we might soon have to think about if we make it thing official and married and thing and straighten up a thing because we can't in a church and we live so. You understand? And you can also invite your sister, make him be bridesmaid or maid of honor.
Me will ask her, but me not sure so she go say yes, but me will still ask her. Cause remember say you and she can agree for a long time, you know. You don't like her, she don't like
No man, me in my church you know man. So the whole thing there with me and she, me put it aside.
Okay,
You know?
thank God.
Yeah man, me put it aside man. I'm a man of God now. So certain little things, me not depend on that again. So all me do one of them day, me go look for her and just talk to her and just make sure you know say everything good with me and she. Probably invite her to church too.
That good. We come
Alright.
together as a big family. That would be nice.
Yeah man. Where you gone? Me not see him from morning.
I'm saying go and do some football sitting down the road, him and some of my friend them. Cause them a practice.
Oh my play the cup. Alright, no problem. Alright, look like him probably there at camp. Alright, so
The way you want to eat.
anything man, me with chicken in the fridge so you could have fry a piece of chicken me and salt mackerel did that to any one of them. You can cook them with some dumpling.
Alright, no problem.
Alright, so
So take care upon the road and alright, baby. So make up to pray for you to you know make the relationship work out.
we talk about man a family that pray together, stay together.
And what God joined together, let no man put asunder.
Alright, later.
Love you, babe.
Yeah.
Alright. Long time I don't see that. But me get so busy. Girl, you know get what I want? A big news is spread. Hold me bag, me have to make a hold the bag for me get it. Tell her this a full story. Me and Julia the back, you know. Yes, my love. He come and he apologize. He all kneel down upon me and the ball say he's sorry because he going to church from me and him left. He start go church and he might go baptize. Yes. Girl, some ball in ball. Me sorry for him. You know, so me did love him, you know. Even though I'm doing foolishness, me say me feel like to give him one box in my mouth. But the way me love the boy, come like he make me start blush. Me all like tremble when me see the boy take out the engagement ring. And saying come fi, see there. And I lie me that you look on you. Good up ring to you, know? You know say you look good. Me not tell no lie. Me just forgive him. Me forgive him.
You forgive him.
Yes, me and him a go married and if him a go to church and baptize, it makes sense me going to church and baptize too.
A good thing for going to church and baptize, but nobody make because of true. Him say in going to church, you're going to church. You know. When you listen to me. Let me see your ring. Let me see it. My granny used to say, and everything glitter gold, but me not bad mouth, you know. But remember this, my sister, a leopard can never change its spot. I church must seek for refuge. I saw enough of them turn. When they go on with, when they disrespect you, me say, boy, come on, you can't cuss me, you know.
When?
You know, come but in come for clothes and turn around, you know, carry the pan of clothes. He say, you know, want them because me I walk up upon him. And how me carry his name to you, but him and Cherry. And if you never come here with cherry picking, you know. If you never come here with cherry picking it, I wouldn't say nothing to you. Because me know say you love the boy. You know you love him, you know?
Sis.
And me not do nothing for hurt you. He accuse me and he cuss me. He say how me mash up in life and how me a no good somebody and how me not have no life like boys. Me look like me dead. Certain things, certain. Listen, he out hard and bright.
Yeah.
Because you see me, certain things me not go down to certain boy level. And certain things me not stoop to. Certain level me not stoop to. I feel your man. Because my man is not your man and your man is not my man. You understand? And you're a pitney father. So me not have nothing bad to tell you more than me no want no boy take you for no idiot. Cause look here, me want to ask you one something and one good question me want to ask you. Are you the only fool sit down left on Barnet Bridge? God no girl.
So wait there. Me I want
You
that.
really are tell me yes?
No, but me no know. It come like I know me answer like a while, but me I wonder if me are the only fool for you because he come and say I go to church and he's a matter of fact he start go to church already and he go get baptized. So me forgive him because you know say if him a God fearing person and we want God to forgive you for your wrongs then me just forgive him and done because me no want me and him go get married and him a go to church baptized we are commit adultery and I do them sick. Me no want commit neither adultery nor fornication. So sis me know saying disrespect you know all the while and they come chat about a hobby and this and that and we can close them come at your yard.
I trust him,
And he have no right to do that.
I don't trust him. I wonder if I'm obey you.
Well,
Because listen to me, man.
Maybe.
Going to church is not a bad thing. You understand? I best thing that ever. But as me say, a leopard can never change its path.
That's true.
And most of the time, when you see them behave so at church, they take for refuge. Church.
That's true. But hopefully it don't work out like that, sis. Not because you hear me say, me I go marry him to engage me. Your fee say me I go put him in front of you. Me and you a sister for life. Me and him can just marry and he start this me back again and me have to run come back and tell you. And it look like it we go have to beat him. But guess what? Me no want have them the evil thoughts in my head. You know about him. Me I see if he change for you. Me not go broke my neck and run go marry him to him come put an engagement ring for my finger. You know, me I give him some time to see if him is the same person or he really change for you.
Candy, more you listen to me and listen to me good. It's not about you put him in front or behind or we in front or we behind. Because one thing me know cannot change. Me and your sister by blood. But listen to me.
Sis, me not put him in front of you.
I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm going to tell you the honest truth what God love from the bottom of my heart. I know so when me and your pitney we always sit down and talk. So we all have double wedding and then something there. But this is not about no double wedding. You know. Me not take no part in a your wedding. But I love to be your maid of honor. But
you
honestly,
sis, not do it. Not
me
say.
not.
You're my sister.
No.
You're my sister. You me want to be the maid of honor. Please, me I beg you. Just do it just for my sake, please. And right now, me I married him, you know. Me I watch him to see if he change it or me see if he trick me or whatever. Me not go this run go marry him so he come put an engagement ring for me and me I no idiot.
Well, me I tell you, I want you bear it in mind. And I know you vex with me. But me I gotta tell you the truth. Me not turn up before no pastor with you and him say me I gotta be no maid of honor.
Me
Nah, do
understand.
it.
Me not go post her for that.
Nah,
Yes,
do
me
it.
love you same way. And me not go put him, as me tell you 1,000,000 times. Me not put him in front of you.
The Bible says if forgive. Bible says if forgive. But one thing me know.
Hold on there, sis. Even though the Bible say me fi forgive, yes, me forgive him. But me no forget what he do.
Make sure.
Okay.
Make
Me no
sure,
forget what
cause
he do.
you see enough of them man, yeah, it's when they do them wrongs and they wrong with them woman, they run go in a church and look cover up.
All
Like
right.
they feel like they want hurt, they can't hide them dirty deeds and cover themselves with a gospel garment. You big me say open up your eye. You hear me I tell you? Alright, my sister. Now not more to say.
Anyway, me I come run go home because I'm gone on the road, so I'm gonna minister to people. I must see deacon in a church now, my love. So me I run go home go cooking food. If he come up. Make you laugh off for me. Me I run go home go cooking dinner, man. If he come home come get in nice dinner like what me used to give. I
If you
hope
good
he
at-
know say he better stay in a church because as he sleeping slide with me and me nah go just tell him to go along this a time, so you know, he have to get a beating first before he go. But me nah make him know me just act smooth and easy and everything. So anyway, look my sister, love you. If you think say although me love him, me I put him in front of
bag
you
and
and
go.
lie my tell.
It's not about
I just
me
that
in
me the
front
comfy
or me
content.
behind, but me only I tell her say, no go on like you're blind. Yeah?
No open me eye, 'cause I come like I
Open
say
up
one
your
of them
eye.
lock and one open, so look more.
Alright, me love you here.
Yes, love you too.
Love you.
Yes, prayer meeting was wonderful this evening though, sister.
Most definitely.
So as I was saying, I really like you though, you know, to be honest, I really like you, and I don't want you to feel any way like I am forcing any issue, you know, but I am at this point in time I am single, you know. I'm single, so wait till this bike pass. Yeah, I am single, and I only have one child, and I'm looking for a nice young lady to get married.
Brother Junior, I didn't know you had feelings for me. You understand? And based on what I've been through in the past, I don't think I can find it in my heart to trust any other man right now but God. So, I really know how to even react to this.
No, sister. Just here's what. Just take a little time to think about it. You know, I know I'm new in the church, but um, we have time. We have time. I know I'm new, but we have time.
I mean, you're a gentleman, most definitely you are. You're very sweet, very kind, and very caring, but I don't know. Some people pretend until. You understand? And I don't want you to pretend with me. So we can try to get to know each other, but I'm not going to rush into anything with you. Is that fair?
All right, that's fair enough. Good evening, Mrs. Sister-in-law.
Since when me I feel your sister-in-law?
No, man. A long time I don't say I'm a sister-in-law, but to be honest, when we really come out now is, I don't know if you know, say, I'm going to my church. I'm now a man of God, and everything when I used to do in the past, I want to stay in the past. So I come for really apologize to you and tell you, say, I'm sorry for the way how I used to behave and how I used to accuse you. So yeah, I walk up here and how I used to try drive one wedge between you and your sister. I'm really come for apologize because I want to make amends.
You want to make amends? You say, when at the past is still at the past, right?
Mm-hmm.
You see past what you are talking about? It a go stay in the past, you know. But me not go walk in the past there. You hear me I tell you? Me now walk in the past there. But me know, say you, me can't sit you in. A leopard can never change its spot. Look here. I don't business with you and my sister, you know, because everybody have their own life to live. You see, all the accusation where you accuse me and all the accusation and all, me don't know, confusion and all sort of accusation. Me. No inna you. And me I tell it to your face because I am not a hypocrite. You is a hypocrite. You, a hypocrite role you want to play. Me can't say true, you know.
So,
Remember, let me tell you something, Junior. Remember, Sir Cherry is my best friend, you know. And remember, Sir Candy is my sister. And you there with my best friend, and you there with my sister. So figure it out.
yeah, but
So me
as
know
I say that I
every single
passed,
thing
that I
about
passed,
you.
man. Yeah, man. Me really want to make amends. Now that me born again and me a walk a new road.
You're born again.
Yes.
Hey, way, you're born again. I wonder which one I born again you talk about.
So me ask you, when me really can do for really make it up to you.
You can't if you leave my sister alone. Leave my sister alone. The only way you can make it up to me, between me and you, left my sister alone. Because my sister love you, you know. But as far as I'm concerned, you don't love my sister. You're an opportunist. You only love what you can get from my sister, but you don't love my sister. Me know, you know. Me know, but you see, because she love you. That is why me no business with it one, you know, really, you know. But now that you can confront me, and all of the names, them way you call me, I know everything about you, you know. I me never carry your name to my sister. You accuse me and blame me all the while. So me know you. A leopard can't change its spot. And that me say, and so me say, and that me mean from my heart.
Me just did come to make peace with you. But if you want to keep me up in your heart and carry all what you carry over from in the past and still keep it up to you. Me just want to say, God know my heart and me come and me try to be a good person.
Enough for my heart. Me don't have you up in my heart. Because one thing me know. You see for my heart, it clean like a Jesus police record. Tell you that. You hear me I tell you? So listen, don't make no peace with me. Make peace with yourself.
All right.
Make peace with yourself.
All right, Miss Gigi. You look like you're in a fall. I mean, I want to wake me up. So, have a nice day, all right?
Have a good walk.
All right.
Brother Juna. Hold on, boss. I have a word with you. I want to have a word with you, sir. Imagine, me invite you in a church, become a member, make little changes and all them stuff in your life. And you can imagine, you come to church, the first week, me come, me watch you at the corner, me eye know your head all over the place. Left, right, me see you peep out all of the church member girl. Let me see you. You understand what I mean? Imagine you and your wife just have a little problem when you're supposed to work and now. All of a sudden, Sister Lauren me here say, yeah, scoochie round and so forth.
Brother Vass, man. You have to understand, you know, man. Me it's salt and nothing to happen for me me and my woman Candy, so therefore me have to look at the greener pastures.
Look what? The reason you come there is to patch up things with your wife. You know how long that girl in the church, they're pure. And then you come. Eh? That don't look good, man. It don't look good, brother. Me bring her in church. I bring her in the church for just come and you make up things with the wife, be a member, change your life.
Well,
and you know,
me and she just attack. I mean, we not do nothing, you know, we just attack and no harm no in that.
I see where it's heading and I know you, I know about you, boss. It not look good, man. It not look good, man. Me know I come spoil up the young girl in the church, man.
Alright, brother Vass. Just see if you can just keep it between me and you and we just kinda back off.
What you gonna do? You get back off?
Yeah man, me back off. Just keep it between me and you.
Why you want me keep it between me and you now? Tell me.
I don't want the whole community know say boy me I got church and
So if it's something you're hiding then that means something wrong.
but to be honest, me think say me and your friends still, you know.
No man, we don't put friend in this, man. When you come on to the church, there's no friend thing. I tell you how serious. I was like you as I tell you, you know. You understand what I mean? And the Lord talk to me. And look how big me in the church. And you want to try to save and reach away. It's not easy, you know. It's a good woman you have in your yard. A good woman. And me I say, boy, I bring her, I beg you, please, don't mess it up, man.
Alright.
A good woman.
Alright, me understand. Only that you have to say?
Only that me have to say.
Alright.
You make it sound like business as usual.
Alright.
You need for change.
Alright, yeah man.
You need for change.
Yeah man. Alright. Give thanks. Give thanks, man. Alright.
I mean, I tell them that tough nut we crack, man.
Yes, Sister Lauren. This is my son Raj.
Nice to meet you, Raj. Your father told me so much about you.
Alright, so Raj, I want you to go to the shop, get something to eat, and you can stay as long as you want. Maybe look for a few of your friends. Because here's what. Me and Sister Lauren, we're going to have prayer meeting.
Yes.
And it's going to take a little while, so you can just spend the time with your friend, alright?
Boy, so me know say you're a good boy, you know.
Yeah, mommy.
Keep the yard nice and clean without me tell you to do it.
You alright?
So me a grow you, nice and clean. No woman can step on you when you're big. Me a come go get little rest, you hear me?
Wait a
Tired, so...
Mommy, wait. Me have something to tell you, mommy.
Eh?
Me have something to tell you. You see, Daddy carry one woman over here. Me tell you, he carry one woman over here. Daddy claim for say, she ain't your sister. Mommy, you don't know if you go on, mommy. Daddy carry her in her room. They say a prayer meeting they go have. It more times in nice what me hear, mommy, me didn't even want to tell you, mommy. Jesus, please, me not think say a prayer meeting, you know. But before they go in her room, mommy, in the send me go shop. And when me come back, then still in her room, mommy. Still in the room. Me don't know if I pray, but that not so like a prayer. Cause I said that they beat her.
What do you mean they beat him?
Like beat him like when you beat me so much.
So you're the woman that make nice?
Yes, mommy.
Jesus Christ. Don't worry about it.
Yes, mom.
Me will deal with it. Here?
Yes, mom.
Don't worry. Go and sweep up the yard.
Yeah, mom. Hope you sleep good, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Oh, go on, my nephew.
Yeah, alright, you know.
Where is your mother?
In the upstairs, man. Saying go sleep.
Yeah, right, no.
Yeah, man. Javi, alright?
Come on, Javi, good man. You alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright.
The door open?
Yeah, open.
Sister. Candy. Candy. Come to your head, I hurt you. What do you? Candy. Candy. What do you? What happened to you? Talk to me now, my sister. What do you? What happened to you? You feel sick? Which part hurt you? Which part hurt you? Talk to me now. What happened? Hey boy, Junior, not true? A Junior?
Me done with him.
I went do now. When do? When he lick you? When do you?
He can't lick me. Me done with him. Better when he lick me, I swear. He better when he lick me, me clot him back.
We're crying. What? You make you cry. Why do you? What?
Me just,
When do you?
me just come in and go and see condom. Use. Me did go out on the road and when me come back, Raj, I tell me how his father care. Woman come here.
That'd be nice.
And tell him how in church sister.
So that make you bad?
The time they in they do them a do one trick. He wanna pick me, tell him I want prayer meeting in the house when he knows I lie.
That'd be fine. Hush.
I don't want him again. I need have one little bit of love left for him, but he gone. He can't take back, he ring me now, but I'm ready.
In your bedroom, he carry woman come.
And if you see him did come back and I kneel down and I go on.
But me did
Oh,
tell her.
my God.
Alright, hush, 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 hush.
Oh, my dick.
Hush.
And he no go for a road, go minister.
Alright, hush.
Lie, let me catch him.
Hush.
Watch what me go do with him.
You will go to prison.
Me go to prison.
No.
He take out the whole of my heart. No left. Me don't want no more man again. Me done. Into wicked.
Hush. Hush. Sometimes when I talk to you, for listen. Every heart know their own sorrow. Me tell you that already, right? Look here.
Me one day for you be me fit you. You didn't say it, but I don't know me day back with Junior. I swear to God. What me day back with Junior? Me should have listened to you. And me I only
Stop it crying now.
Me I only fool little left with you.
Stop it nice. Stop it crying. Alright, which part Junior there? Where Junior there? Give me a number, let me call him. Give me a number. Give me a dirty boy number, let me call him.
Delete you out of my phone as me come.
See, I don't know that in your head.
Me no want him. Me no want remember nothing about him. Me go dash out in clothes them. I did buy that sheet, yeah. Me no want nothing for him.
Look here, girl. Your father never make your ball and you have to make dirty Junior.
I want me so. I want me so.
What do you mean what happening here, so dirty Junior?
Sis, look here. Look here.
Candy, I want that there.
Look.
What do you mean say you ask Candy I want that? You don't know what it is? You don't know?
No man, I want really a go on now, Candy.
Yeah, we had come in and talk about what I want.
Wait.
Yo, Gigi, hold a sister now.
What? But no, hold a sister. What kind of sister?
Hold a sister now.
You better come on. Let me go. Take back your ring. Take it back. Come on.
Yo, hold a sister now.
Yo. Boy.
Don't be Junior.
Yo.
I could trim him, boy. I could trim him.
Let go, make him go. I don't want to see him. Come, I don't want to see him. You better come out.
Dirty boy. You see my sister shed tears. Dirty boy. Dirty Junior. You, about how you gone in a church? No, my sister. I don't want you to go to prison. No. Come out. Go. Move.
Yo,
you wicked boy. Move. Come out and go. Dirty boy. No. Alright, push. Alright. Hush here. Hear me, sister? Hush. Hush, stop it crying. You cannot make one dirty man make your ball.
Boy, hurt me.
And look at you strong. You're stronger than that.
Boy, hurt me feelings. And you catch him. You not gonna like him. No. Come back in this.
Look here. Remember, Raj, you have your son to live for. You don't love me again? You mean say I love Dirty Junior more than how you love me? And me and your blood sister. Come out and see him belly. Make him dirty boy go along where my life goes on.
Trick me.
Make him go. Dirty boy, I not deserve your tears, girl. Stop be crying. You're not only supposed to cry when I give me dead or your pity dead. Yeah, idiot man, stop be balling, man. Don't do it. No need.
Trick. I'm crying. And him got dirty boy come and condemn out the whole of my food and sing and me have to wash clothes for him, but me fi cook food for him time ago.
Help her.
Ministry. Oh, you want minister for a road.
A wicked boy. One time they do their wrongs, they take church for cover up their dirty deeds. And I tell you, but you never want to listen to me. Come and talk to you, my sister. I ask if I am only fool left my body bridge. You don't listen to me. You make your boy put you through them or something here. You don't invest in a man, you invest in yourself and your pitney. You understand? Jesus Christ.
Why, Miss Gigi? Why, I don't know what to say. Honestly to God, I don't know what to say. This might sound cliche. Every time something happen, I have to apologize. But honestly, I have to apologize for how me treat your sister. Honestly to God. I never know so don't come down to this where today we have to bury her. I want to make you know so me sorry. If me could have just turn back your hands at time, I would have turn it back. Honestly to God. I know say I know me physically kill her, but me just know say me should have treat her better. Honestly to God. So me just please want you to forgive me. When you find it somewhere in your heart, if you just look past all what happened. Please. I truly don't even know how me feel. Honestly to God. I truly don't even know how me feel.
You. And when I wickedest man me ever come across in my life, you. Look how me beg you and tell us to leave my sister alone. And make peace with yourself. You can't up yourself. You have a heart. If you stand up right yourself. And I can't tell me say me if forgive you. Me look like God to you. You see me look like Jesus to you. Me a candy sister, me a no candy. Because I forgive, she forgive you, make, are you kill her? You stress out me sister, you take away one thing what me have in my life. The best thing me have in my life, I take him.
Gigi, please, 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 please.
Don't touch me.
Please, please. No,
Don't touch me. You're wicked. You're dirty man.
Miss Gigi, please. Just find me
kill
your
me,
heart.
sister.
Forgive me now, please.
Me, for my heart. Me not have you in my heart. The only space in my heart are for my sister, not for you. Not for me and you and my sister. You for go. You're wicked. The one sister me have who me love so much and he love me. Dirty boy, move on. Wicked.
Miss Gigi,
Wicked.
don't make you must do something like this.
Just come out of my face. Move from your son, I don't like you. A dirty junior. You know how me feel? You know how me feel? I right in my hand, my sister dead. And you can't tell me if forgive you. What? Forgiveness? I can't ask me to forgive you. Because I love my sister. The only thing you're left with are memories. Get up off of my sister grave. Come off of my sister grave. Move and come off of my sister grave and go along where you go. The only reason why me not fight you is because when my sister dead, me love and respect her. You hear me I tell you? But go on. Your life long, but you're careless with it. You're careless with your life. But I'm going to leave you to God. God will fight my battles for me. You hear? You hear me I tell you? Me I left everything to God. Just like how my sister did in my hand. Me I left everything me I put in a God's hand. Because I know that God will fight my battle for me. You hear me I tell you, dirty junior? And when God fight my battle for me, I shall be victorious. Remember me tell you that. My sister dead in my hand, but I don't know which part ever did. So go on to repent and ask God to forgive you. Because you're a wicked man.
Orlando or Ocala, Florida area, or even Georgia, and you're looking to buy or sell your home, Janet Campbell is the realtor you should call. You can WhatsApp her or call her at 407-449-3371. Or you can visit her website at www.donetcampbell.com. Or you can also find her on Facebook. Donet Campbell is your realtor.
Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, "Oh, me no need that, me no need that." It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up, see him Instagram handle there, so you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, he can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right.
Are you looking for professional photography and video services? Look no further. With over 20 years of experience, we cater for all weddings and events island-wide at an affordable rate. Stop what you're doing. Pick up the phone and call the number on the screen. We are dedicated to serve you.
Thank you very much for watching to the end. It's always a pleasure to create this content for you guys. You don't know, we always at work because we are work for Uno, and we know so Uno love what we are do, and we are do it not just for yourself, we are do it for Jamaica. So let's do talk about a few things. There are persons that I normally promote their product on my channel. I wanted to check out them thing. Dr. Jack, and there are persons who advertise bag and also real estate, you see me, and wedding photography. So you can link them up if you need any one of them services there. And also the number them will provide in the contact or email for those persons, please. It's business number. So if it's not business related, please don't call them and ask for candy and ask for fire and want to talk to this. You know what I say? It kinda disturbing when I know that you know I call about. We know so love what we are doing, we appreciate it because we are fans. You know, we not run with the fans, but at the end of the day, we have to keep the thing professional, you see me? So please. Alright. We always need support from the audience outside of watching. If people want to support financially, we can link we up, make we know how we want to support. Because we're pushing forward and there's a bigger aim in hand that we are trying to push forward to. And it just take a lot, so we just continue to make it happen. What else we talk about? Yeah. So we need 2 new actresses. So if there are persons out there who interested from you at least 24 and upwards, you can link with on Instagram and we see how we can make things work. We have a few projects in mind that we're going to work towards coming early September, gearing towards outside of YouTube. So we just all start go down, put pen to paper, write the script them and get the thing them out there. Continue to support what we are do while we continue to do what we are do and just try to get better at what we do. You know what I say? So big up on yourself. And as I said, thank you very much for supporting. And remember, follow me on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and on TikTok too, Richard Brown Films, because we try to post on all social media platforms. So we try to keep the thing active. You see me? And if you're not subscribe, subscribe.